Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to apply for driving license for car, bike or motorcycle through online in Kerala. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page Kerala apply for driver license car, bike or motorcycle. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to us for creating more videos. In this page we have given detailed procedure along with information and instruction for a user to follow and complete this procedure on time. Also, we have provided few links for external websites and other details. They are all useful for completing this procedure on time. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, you can make use of the select language tab provided on the top right corner of this page to select the language of your choice from the drop down menu in order to understand this procedure easily. Let us see the documents required. You need the application form while you perform offline procedure, and documents of vehicle in which applicant proposes to appear for test of competence to drive, such as registration certificate, insurance certificate, tax card, pollution under control certificate, while you use the vehicle for driving to complete the drive test, and consent letter affixed with 2 rupees stamp from the vehicle owner in order to use the vehicle for conducting drive test, passport size photographs 4 copies, original learner license, valid learner license held by the applicant for the relevant class, more than 30 days old. Applicants for transport vehicle license should enclose a training certificate in form number 5 issued by recognized driving school. Form 15, those who are undergone training in driving school. Aadhaar card are the documents you require. Please scan those documents which are required for applying. And today this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the applying procedure through online. First is to know the application status online. So whenever you apply, you will get the application number. So the status can be found using the link provided in our wiki procedure page under application status online. Use this to reach the page where under the application status, hit the license to get this page, where user has to enter the application number, being application number selection is on, and enter the other details which are prompted for, and hit search to get the next page, which provides status of your current application which is applied. And appointment for test drive through state portal is applicable is possible by using the following link, which is provided under appointment for test drive drive test from the state portal. Use this appointment link to reach this page, and under apply online, if you come further, DL test date change is what you have to select. Go to get the prompts for the to enter. See, please enter the license number, date of birth and hit get. Once you hit get, you will get the next page for completing the prompts to change the drive test appointment. Apply online is through the Parivahan portal. You should make sure that you have all the required documents which are scanned and keep it in a folder for applying. The link, Parivahan link, which is provided in our wiki procedure page, will be useful to reach this home page, where user has to select the driving license related services option. Once you click on this option, you will get a new page where you have to select the state from the drop down menu. Select Kerala. Once you select Kerala, you will get a new page. On the left part of the screen, you have driving license. Under driving license, you have apply online. Click on the apply online to get the sub option. New driving license is what you have to hit. Click on this option to get this page where user can read through the information and hit continue, so that you will get a page where you have to enter the valid learner's license number, date of birth and hit go. So complete the page prompts according to your requirement or as per your validity, and hit OK to reach the next page, and complete the page prompts one by one to apply online by hitting the submit button at the bottom of the screen. So now you have uploaded the document and entered the details and you submitted the application. You will get an acknowledgement for the online application you made. Take a printout of it along with the application. Go to the RTO office with the acknowledgement and application form and pay the required fees as per the guidelines. of the authorities and follow the officers or authorities guidelines to complete the procedure in person to obtain a driving license which you initiated through online. Printing application in Parivahan, there is an option available for users to print out the application they have made online. Here under printing application you can use the online portal link to reach the Parivahan's portal. Use the driving license related services option to reach this page. Select the Kerala state from the drop down menu. To reach the next page, select download form and print application form option to reach this page. Enter the application number you obtained while applying online and date of birth and hit submit. The next page will prompt user to make the required selection in printing out the application. Appointments in Parivahan, user can use the respective option to fix an appointment. In our page we have provided the link under the appointment session. So reach this page where user can select appointment slot booking option to get drop down menu. So driving skill test is what you have to click. Select this to reach this page where user can click the Sarathy services and then enter the application number, date of birth followed by verification code as per the image and hit submit to get the appointment for your schedule. So these are the way in Kerala one can get the driver license through online. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to us for creating more videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to apply for driving license, car, bike or motorcycle in Kerala.